Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to do a test order on your Shopify store. This is a crucial step to make sure everything is working perfectly before you launch your store. First of all, let's log into Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. If you haven't set up your Shopify store yet, be sure to do that before proceeding. Next, we need to set up test mode for your payment gateway so that no actual payment is processed. To do that, go to settings, then click payments. Now, if you are using Shopify payments, click on manage. From there, you will find the option to enable test mode. Turn it on so that you can place test orders without actually charging your credit card. Once test mode is on, you will need to use Shopify test credit card details to complete the order. Here's a quick list of the details: card number, expiry date, and CVV. You can find the full list of test credit card info in Shopify's help documentation. Now, let's place an actual test order. Go to your store front end. Just like any regular customer, add a product to the cart, add the proceed to checkout. Enter the test credit card information and complete the purchase process. Since we are in test mode, no money will be deducted from your account. Once you complete the checkout, head back to your Shopify admin and go to orders. You should see the test order appear here. Check that all the details are correct, including shipping and payment information. Now that we have confirmed the test order, it's time to turn off test mode. Go back to payments in your Shopify settings and disable test mode. This ensures that real orders will be processed once you are ready to launch. And that's it. You have successfully placed a test order on your Shopify store. Doing a test order helps you ensure that everything from payment processing to shipping works smoothly before you go live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.